Hi, I'm just gonna heat up my food, guys, and just... Where is it? Can't find it. Oh, shit, it's not working. Is it going?
Yeah.
Oh, hello. I need to get better at this. Okay, this is doing it for the friends and family. We're gonna do a tour. Hi, welcome to the minimalist apartment tour, where we own nothing because possessions just weigh you down. Here we have no bed, and here we have no possessions. Just me. Yes. Okay. Cool. Here's the bathroom with nothing because you don't need nothing in this life. You feel. And yeah, that's our room. But this is the bedroom. No, just kidding. This is just our pre-moving out, pre-moving in tour, and now I'm gonna show you guys the layout of the house. Well, also there's a bog balcony. Get it? Yeah, for our plants and shit. And that's it. Yeah, cool. All right, so here. Oh. Bathroom number 2. And yeah, there's stuff in there because I was lying. And here is washer and dryer because thank God it came with it. And then what is that?
There's one of these in the living room too. I don't know what it's for.
Oh.
It's like I think it's like there's a plug in there for like cable or something.
We can Google that. But I'm pretty sure it's to keep the dust out.
There's like a cable. If you had like the TV, you would. There's a cable in there.
Oh, it looks
can
like
feel it.
you're just fingering it. That's weird.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, this is your girl's room. We're doing a tour video, guys. Ah! This is the mother-in-law's room. I don't know if you want to see it, but yeah, that's not. Okay. And then there's stairs. Go down. Oh, there's more stairs to go down. Don't mind my pot. Here's the living room and the doorway, and then ta-da! Okay, cool. And then there's succulents outside, guys. Yes, it's motherfucking succulents, guys. So there's a Harry Potter room. Okay, well we can't have Harry Potter in here right now because my mother-in-law just like, yeah. But if anyone wants to have their Harry Potter fantasies happen, Airbnb it. But here's this largest kitchen I have ever had in my life. It's giving me anxiety, but she's found a way to fill it up already. So, ta-da! It comes with a refrigerator, guys! And then here is like a shared walkway or whatever, but like all the OOTDs you can have on that wall, fam. Heck yeah! And there's a bathroom over there, but that's not important. Okay, cool, but that's the tour, guys. I don't know how long that video is gonna be or if you can hear me because I have no shotgun mic, but thanks. How tall you gotta be for this?